Shada nyini. Na fa wa ho fa nyini why? I mean sure. Mama on kwatente ahode wo. Maybe Zaban. Happy birthday. National Sumami say Adom DWASO NSEM Health It Bits is brought to you by Performance. A simple cry. A memedro. Nutritional supplement for vitality, performance, and immunity. Tibamodia Toby Mabra no mamwa. Ya Paco Toby Banamam. Cholesterol dey here ending in new. But your copa baby nunum wo. Because if you actually na meche wade a odi nunum be ye. Nunum ene kubensu ya. Eti copa baby nunum ewo. Ye wie kubensu ene anim tree. Ene kubeni fruit na ye no anom no ye wie ne. Because I got 2 weeks pepe. Yeah, but check out cholesterol. Said that was not for me. To be so I could baby and Nunumo. For you, baby. Sani, a friend of Kruma. Nunumo. Take a pen to be why. Sebabasuna Bomona Shan Sumam said DVS roofing sheet, Belaqua, Dr. Caesarina Green Tea, Amanak Real Estate, Franco Trading Enterprise, Vitamil, Classic No Mosquito and Coil and Spray, Escort Security Services, Goldman Capital, Big Boss Energy Drink, Papa's Pizza, Polar Ice, NBF Gingervel Gel, Willett Investments, Luzantel Tablets, Oba Spaghetti, Give Us Power and Give Us Eyes, Trelidor, Calipo, Tumira Herbal Research and Clinic, Fresh Lady, Araba Bazin Peel. What am I saying, bro? Vodafone Kuta Franca Cassian. Progress Savings and Loans, I am Kwaswankwa. King City Real Estate, #1 destination for property buyers. Just call them on 050-8199-625. American Premium Furniture, where quality sells. Enterprise Life Insurance, your advantage. Castro Oil, it is more than just oil. It is liquid engineering. I'm in Scientific Clinic, Allahu Shafi, our God is the healer. Lily Sunflower Oil, tasty food, happy family. Tabia Heba Mixture, your true and authentic Heba medicine. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready?
Jim FM. Jim FM. He has given me victory. Oh, the God has given me victory. He has given me victory. All the days of my life I praise you. Everything that I have now you give to me, Baba. Lord, I say for your love I'm grateful. Yes, you love me plenty, you came to die for me. Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nissi, I am that I am. Ooh. Oh, you search around, there's no one else like you. Lion of Judah, you're the man, the man, the man. God has given me victory. He has given me victory. He has given me victory. God has given me victory. God has given me victory. He has given me victory. He has given me victory. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
29 minutes after 7. Mesaba na mabeya de foforo. Na mamenko amano so na feminine Dr. Kojo Opare Hammond on the year PMMC. Boss, Eja Hammond, what me come and watch you pay?
Hello.
Pacho, what time come and channel pay?
Major also captain.
Now, maybe I have a over.
I'm not Adom. We did say most of my.
Oh, about the other room. My ano why a fan of paper and just studio higher corner.
And then we are for all of them also.
Aye. Men's gold issue, and him say about the dreadful whole minerals near there. When we know what was say, I want she share to say, then echo.
You captain me that say. I no credit about gold who ne diamond who did there. Our Ghana ha a PMMC and a share I say. And may call hot more a finny cacrany. Na men's gold who some a buyer no. The ma yes shame they come by and say I'm said 2014 and na ombeji license. Say ompeso mudi gold who edra nibi. Na almost say no ombeji license and chebia no almost say ni on yes say no ase. And the impediment na all some and from say license na the ma no. Anya sa dwedi se de omoye no se obi ba betobi no obi de akoto baabi na yama ho ayi interest in ho bi no anya sa na license no ema ho kwan so money enti omunyai enti according to penifo na o samre no only on share several times ema warning actual letters near there onwanyai enti ems around 2015 2016 no and ye revoke PMMC revoke a license. And if you are the mono, yeah, come with dear, a PMMC in there. PMMC, a friend, a man's good, yeah, mom license, only license, a mom to myself, D gold home, Edra, said your omu, say.
Mateo Hona say, Julius a Bank of Ghana weaving in, Matese, I say you conso, Abba, Julius, more investigations, because since that time, no one year, Jumabium.
Since that time, no year, Juma, the air cry say, after that, you send the copy person, all the newspapers, no, they publish it, almost say, say, no, men's gold, any license, IFPMMC, a mom, a client, so when Nidra, and the Obia person, Nidra, I saw yesterday, now. Yeah, my license. Until we even put up a warning notice to all Ghanaians through the newspapers.
Eja, one mama license. What do you say?
In fact, as at the last count, now the new office, my figures, but I'm saying almost 500 companies and individuals I am on license the gold mudra.
Okay, to me ton.
Yes.
And she shan't send some PB a crime so na mefa.
Open license Libya, you apply to us. Now about better forms, no fail. Now fail forms Libya. Now ya minute so. Ama ya tro police for. Now, yeah, the whole ceremony or application, a company registration, and information via the baby's our paper, which largely has to do with yourself, including passport picture near there. A packaging near the Aquacoma, a Ghana policy for a CID. Now, CID for a due diligence on you. The only say, more the Quaco show with she actually be a profile. I'm making sure that Unya will be a September more license a solve the gold who draw the bay near ma instant and fata. Now police more clearance we are and Sunday no yaba ama yabe issue your friends and license and after you have paid the appropriate fees.
Okay, now I am check you or more sick or more what the bay said you and I have my license in the keke.
Almost cannot the check it and yama. A far almost custom day, and yeah, from but I'm just a police for more years. I'm so much in answer a cajon.
Okay, nti woman so mama woman sa license no. Woman dey say men's gold dey and woman dey no purely buying and selling.
Obi a be my license say any my license so the better gold now aton. Now di bia call amanone so. Enti license the same thing. But the American said they did my men's gold 2014 no. Ye twam enti omo ni license bio. Because yeah, review license now building more security features into it. Make us say on our records, your friends a men's gold, Emma Hossa or mobile new one people.
What much you no dent in a man mutuem.
Oh, Emra home. You the license no more why I used to say and acquire and a dread dinner could acquire so fast now this a journal. Now ya true must say so when need a journal acquire so you want to me say your license no every awesome. The teacher partner say ebia obaba de license now they acquire obi flagadama na se bukata. And no sir buy immediately to attention pay a very vocal license no now you hand you over to the police.
Okay. It's no say banesa niama omo ye na ye frakada mo report ma police na mo ye ne den.
Yeah, banesa you buy it to attention immediately call the attention of the police. Say na yeah assign the license remember you better do diligence on you. And to home something na any profile in our police for them. And we will usually draw the attention of the police to say sani passe by the license so could be go to but you who say acquire the names no and yam na kwanso. Enti mona ai 30 minutes woman so be adem enim na kwanso a say ebi amoche na say mo de ne fam na kwanso na ya ma police for no aso say ne penu mo.
Okay, say gold business na your papa na akofom.
Captain no kwase mo say gold business akofom pa esan a ban on a small scale mining in and to say first no but you did say as we you did I supported the idea say you best sanitize the system you better not be cost said they say call gold and juman no and you na you kind of boom na be said ne kwanso send fatana best page you.
And then just say galamse ne kwan bi so na kan ya aboa mo.
Oh, it's been cancer. As I say, galamse gold, illegal gold, illicit gold. Now, ya try me call home. I said that at the end to form after a record ceremony at the no. Illegal galamse gold no. Na emefa ye hodomo. We have been trying to find out. Hefana that gold even after now cry I say sila omo ye kakra no enye en China ebefa ansanda kwamo no me enti there's every likelihood any security agencies ni be the normal say enye na e betia can see but we are trying to find out only gold nifa that illegal gold no only fa yeah, to change some new be but yeah, investigations, including some big companies. Yeah, say almost the Friday, maybe almost the Quabuche. Yeah, and very soon we would catch up with them. With as I said, it's a matter of time. Did you say? You go so maybe I do not be and will come out with some and arrest some of those who are involved in this of thing. Omo adwuma na omo ye na ama galamsey no that's cost because. Maybe this say to gold na illegal na market ni homa there is no way I will be cost as to be so na do akutu but those people are mainly foreigners and then in Krana say baby ye to gold ni ade no almost say ska gu bottom a no one nam no more to be fi Burkina be fi Nigeria ani ade no more and then Lebanese for ni India for ni China for and omo edi sikano edi na mumre buto gold no na ya kan say the maker ye two one more ya the number ya share acquire ya best stop home ya arrest all of those people who are doing this kind of illegal trade, you know.
Eja Mr. Akwatia ya kasa afemi grad Akwatia sam no ya yembibi. What to say Akwatia diamond hono.
I said now you be car wo bo hono mo me board chairman honorable Kisinkisi. Ye ba dem be di ho nkomo e kan bibi asesa eti ade ayeguso eso etumu anamo ye ba ye ka say ye presidency any report no ho a see assessor report na ekwako di no ho the whole thing in say contract no ya abrogate and fee company GCD limited na award in seminar. There is nothing that we can do. So bit apart emrano and a man who kwan and a turn the man no. It is say akwa ya ne dia. It is ne dia ono man who kwan ya untimi nkomu nkoye adwuma. And also man sanko dey sika eba be shemu na wa shemu kina na nka adwuma na sa pagya na tumpo na ma kromofo ne ade no atimi anya adwuma ye na nka akwatia sede na nka akwatia tisa first no akasa pagya biu. And so unfortunately papa ne na abusuafo na eto ade no omo fasika ne nshemu adwuma ne nso a omo ndane emma ban se bia ye ne ebe so mo yesi aka ebe yeso ye ntimi anya ntimi sanje wa ade na fabo bi fufuro. That is the stage I do say. We are still impressing on Papa now. Apart from that, advance to to make sure say you better reversing the whole your friends contract now. You turn at the end of the month. There's a major issue. DIC has not been cooperative. Diversity Implementation Committee has not been cooperative. As I say, a friend saying diamond who did the Kotia mine ona obodi anim etonye. And so basically I say monfa papers emre na yenhwe kwan betumi afaso na ye dia famra kwan so ya dia film executive director ye so will leave by afini oni wan so obi antimi nko na office wa ko be edan na yi fire if I clean one in some and on the TV.
Okay, it's basically na your mouth document ni bi wo.
Up to now your man and na kra me sign a tro ho letter and na you be deliver e dey akoma DIC for no my copy senior minister say still are there no emma me di answer ye.
Ye won kakra bi wo ho ye de ye fa be wo so ye almost 1 month. Mene baba jama kra ye ntokwa wo studio ha mene ni mienu e wo ho nti ye be bobo kakra na ye wona no na ye de abrewo.
E da se.
You be bobo no na yet media bro ntim pacho why na company ne one in some say
company no ye toma GCD limited na GCD limited ni pa touch ni Dr. Sian Japan of Zoom Lion fame and one of those companies Zoom Lion so then to so ne bia
Mpacho gold ye two omemu ha ede kono anye bia baabi wo ho aye sika bia kokam nipa bi wo se otua sika bi man a omunya mfa ya de ma yen
and no dear and tisa say ayi gold no omu ye two gold no na ekoton abrutra nipa na ode kwa abrutre ona gold no eye ne dia the aban enya wo ho say ye charge taxes and royalties no ontana mra no ensese ntie enti ante say ayi nipa ba koton na ye hu the value no as say PMMC ye no ye be hwa value gold ni value no na yatimi age hu taxes and ye hu royalties no that is where the government benefits. But the minka can be say emranso omo ye gold exports ni na say okoton gold na fa sika no emu fa kese pa sambra Ghana about 80% of the proceeds no fabra Ghana na esamba Ghana in the form of foreign currency na Ebuama ye CD no it's ye ema inflation so eba form. Na ehɔ no no sɛ nkrɔfoɔ bɛhwɛ no mu disika na san bagana ne ade ne de bank of Ghana for nsɛm na ɛwɔ.
Emre bi yet say over $4.5 billion BSS ba emahe. Ya the gold nkwa yesi ayira.
Yeah, we said in na make say the party de kwa odo na India but there's a Bank of Ghana ka say ude kono and now the coin no e records yes say ye na hwe export ne nyina so na every export bia no ya ma Bank of Ghana copy na ya ma Minerals Commission so copy and between these two agencies they have all the information about every quantity of gold and the value that is exported abroad. Ometime ejina so no ma hwe sa company kona na say sa individual kono no ma ka say PMMC chere say that say udi gold do say na be sinko and who sika say odi ba no odi aba na so omo fa maya then it behoves on Bank of Ghana say ombedi microphone na chi no ma make sure say sika no on the aba and as one fa on the omefa emra kwan so
Pacho aba Sikana de coin na say ba na mmaye no aba because we GDS aba e bebo amane
Adom de TV and say no kasa no pay. I think that the best people are also be some money for between Minerals Commission and Bank of Bank of Ghana because they have to ensure the repatriation of the money.
Make us maybe we can say yes smuggle gold if you come ha foreigners smuggle gold. One day, and I'm what me am
say no, and I make catch say I see say guarantee that say custom kakra. But na guarantee gold no, e man me fire ho. Enti e na efa. Well, na yen as an agency no, yes, emran ma hen kwa say hwe na bibia say gold say diamond no, emfa ne kwan so na me fa channel ye de ato you say airport to export to channel no emefa ho but obi the be efa be so the fa border be so accord there we cannot tell security agencies say collaborating na omoma yetibi stop us there no unfortunately we like I said we are still working together but as at now yetibi also be mu say nipa say the smuggle gold and also smuggle diamond out of the country. I may have to be action.
Okay. So we share three major countries. I know Mudi gold hujaka sepa Switzerland, India, and United Arab Emirates. Yeah. Between 2013 and 2016, about almost $6 billion worth of gold exports remains unaccounted for. Is that correct?
Yeah, well, that is what the information we got. Now, since I know some information, yes, you two animal. Now we call Dubai. I mean, Dubai authorities now are in charge of gold trade. You know, I could do whom come and not almost a name email. We are trying to enter into some kind of collaboration with them. Every go to Ghana, say about do Dubai no. Almost if Ghana, they have to immediately inform us, and then we'll cross check with our records to see say whether it is true. Say if Ghana never far PMMC because there's a possibility. Say maybe with the connivance of some of the agencies at the airport now, there no, but the America is all allegations. Say a minimum to be the gold in the share bag mo, not on their full plane no at the cop. I mean they just managed to pay their way through and take it abroad. But they do Dubai airport, they declare it as gold from Ghana. So they will record it over there as gold from Ghana. Meanwhile, it's as I'm a PMMC I swear, and I said through us and through to Minerals Commission, you know. Yeah, to be uncaptured. And that's some of those instances. Being so they say, and they are all the allegations, but we are investigating. But yeah, and I'm more say yet too. And they say, yeah, Dubai authorities, you know, yeah, enter into some agreement. They say every gold will be by Dubai airport and I be anywhere in Dubai, any of the ports. No one declares that gold is Ghana. No, they have to immediately.
Diamond, Matthias, you, Mama, very specific time period between 2013 and 2016. I bet Tom say gold worth $6 billion were not accounted for. What's the information? Formation munyan tambe. What do you chako Sikane ba na say what actually?
Captain, Switzerland there no. How can I no more maintain and one some there.
My main was Switzerland the end Switzerland the end go there transfer.
I'm thinking on Dubai no. Because Dubai and said the Udika call was the vice president and Okoya Okunya information no. About this, what I know of is the Dubai one. That's what I'm following up on now.
Dubai didn't secure what you're saying. That Ben is can
At the time by score hormone, they were talking about 7 billion. But like I said, we are still investigating to find out where did all this 7 billion worth of gold pass to get into Dubai. Yeah, any records.
No, but on here, Nipana on one vice call on ya catch and say 7 billion. That dollars. Now, investigation, investigation, man. The one I told gold and then say gold worth of 7 billion about my economy. Yes, so I take room here. I didn't know. Any pan or the call cotton, you know, the record to all investigation. Bayan and for we did 1 year near 3.
Captain Sutton said, all these things have to be involved to be done with the international, other international bodies. And then America say, Dubai. We have gone to meet with them to have all the discussions around this, and then we have said, then try say you better put the systems in place. She say gold be a fee Ghana no. Could do they will cross-check with us and authenticate whatever paper and the coin and some normal allowed into the country, or even if they allow it into the country, they will draw attention to it. Make us say a 2 amount to try and stem that in the time. So at the beginning, about 1.5 years near me taking over, and then around that time now this issue came up. Yeah, 2 amount to the extent that now we have this thing going on between us and the Dubai authorities. The past one, it will be very difficult for us to say, we are going to be able to dig from. In fact, when I went there, I spoke to them. And as far as they are concerned, they couldn't really help us to be able to say 6 billion, a whole documentation here, they could give it to us. Acquire international trade NSEM. And say what has passed, say to me, at least we should try and stop that channel now no more used to get there.
Yeah, you bet me who be because what kind international trade pact almost sign with Geneva da. And woman says I mind me no minerals who dwa. Na figure wo to minerals no a bro or minor or a original country now wo to minerals na free. As I said, they are short change no. Wo ba modiana will reveal nipa de buy so that immediately and these are laid down rules and regulations in the world. We can just apply them and we get our money back.
We would pick up those things and continue working with the appropriate authorities on it.
Okay. Yo, my main first Switzerland.
Whatever information so our facility boy, I'm yet to me ISRD patrol. Why?
Me just show some producer nobody unko. But yeah, Switzerland gold market no one reporter on the buy 2016 November. They said that time a young Ghana, young yatro war young kratem finance minister mo church say $3 billion gold penna across Switzerland no. One market the same time frame no. Say 7 billion. But you know so the beka mumfinfi on mabusa ho asem.
In fact, sir, Switzerland, they are okay. It hasn't really come to my attention until this morning. Okay, what I know of is the Dubai one. It is said that what can also, if there's anything like that, also with the Swiss marketer, Let me get that information.
But Ubisa Minerals Commission, you are aware. Minerals Commission, one more you are aware. One more year gold fair, was Singapore. And as some way copy ho, Switzerland forced gold or matter, because they were accused. Say now one more to gold illegally. And one more declare gold do or matter from Ghana. Say 7 billion. As of that time, now you so yeah patch say gold a free across Switzerland 3 billion. To be the same manager, patch Minerals Commission you aware.
Okay, I'll follow up with them. Say they okay no. I'll follow up, but the Americans say since the new administration came into power, Kufado Abamba, they may call PMMC. You try an amount to try and stop this thing, and I can say so far no. I don't believe that when we go back to declare maybe 2017, 2018, we'll have such huge differences. It's a more A2 at the far a gold exporting.
Why exporting gold? Do saying?
Oh, but as I said, I cannot tell you offhand.
Okay.
That should be some home information. I can make it available because I accept the figures. The price is so tight that the figures cannot just stay in my mind just like that. Maybe Osmo put this at the bar. We can get those figures from our office.
Remember, Papa, you are a China ni chairman in the location, bro. Your friend Yu Chan. No, I could send the every day. Be almost to ship go $20 million every day, including Saturdays and Sundays.
I would love that.
Okay. How do you do? Me the bro na, cause yeah. Be an I jagu ho man ya.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, Matty. We would the bear. I can assure you, say, a bit too and more to make sure that we find out what's exactly going on, how to deal with it.
Medasi.
Yes, Medasi.
Opani Dr. Kojo Opari Hammond, a PMMC boss. Now to say, menenebo and common on to say, there was $6 billion a war Dubai, and I war $4 billion. War Switzerland dollars are selling making to 6 plus 4 $10 billion. Now the men copy bisia. Gold that my export to difference as ba and my. Me dey say papa can't say your man is information on a vice president to call on Mudi actually. Ya ka me letters to throw be me letter dikan me throw me ba Adom FM highest gold is let sika we letter and I'm trying 2014 basic there. Munya reply. Scanning so my $10 billion. Professor Mills no copy 3 billion.
Na I didn't see them. Yana near Chida na saying.
On say gold no countries here no did gold who Japan 3. I can say 3. Switzerland, India, and Dubai. Okay. This is we Dubai, say Switzerland. Na I India. Gold na me deba no wunim ni po deba dodo a wato ene bo a wo de toy but international mineral trade nature says so wato gold na ene me cross check na ye hunu say gold dodo a every me ha eba wo India na Switzerland na whatever country no ene me dey reconcile
that is say osomafo no de ko pepe
nti say ye reconcile but won be wie no na Switzerland say gold aba no ho a wato no $7 billion and what to free Ghana between 2013 and 2016. Okay. Young Ghana has also a crater go there across Switzerland 3 billion.
And I say be a fetchy.
I have no toy and say 7 billion. While also our cotton also say 3 billion.
You're going to be saying one.
And yen na Mexican wako kemu.
Sikanakam. And see the assessor mo yen say companies never toma mono. And assessor mo ma list no. To PMMC, the PMMC DHD. Now, no, about me, Dubai. Okobusa Huasem. Say, yet free Ghana. They also accepted that, yes, don't say any yaton. And the Modiano Enshia. As I say, a young woman at Kromhana Yanumti.
Simone.
I say, what's ya say the entire year introducing new taxes? Now, minimum Cassa say, a todd de beer, ye me nipa or Tikromha. What you are taxed no too much. And say, maybe must show some be register say on bet your tax. Ama obi me do obi to say me boss. Katie na me hwe obi te se Kwame despite me hwe obi te se Kwame Chei se okraka e de abagana ha na enunti yes ye the new tax aba otua huge amount of money say ye tax enso se wo hwe employment a what create e de ama ye nipa oboa wo mu na ni nyina echi sa nipa na na de ani esi ne so say ye beji sika ko DVLA na okwakoye ni insurance ana so okwakoye ni license na eno ne yakwakoje ne 2000 Ghana cedis adentra o sika enti wo se otua mo ye sa emmoa yen sika no ba bi a wo say yagifre no yenje enti Ghana ha de minim country Ghana on Ghana ka and minim big institutions private and public sectors omun ne Ghana ka eno no yan yo na mom de wayi nanim se obetua no eno an ye tua nti bo se be kakra no Ghana cars na na man ye hu Ghana number plate wo hu ye betwe fam
o twefam mo be
enye ntwemfa mu se Nigeria number plate bo hu eno enye ntwemfa mu be wan fa me fa wo port honom eye Togo a eno wan fa me fa wo honom but hisika
$10 billion.
$10 billion.
India, they are not going to
na ubisa Hamod no say
also omote no vice president ko no mo ye ho adwuma
also mo ye ho adwuma enti ne omadu stage be
and they say say they want to be
and they want to me
Switzerland they do so nim
ayo
maybe India they no Dr. Abu Grant ono na ye treasurer of the Association of Gold Exporters doc me lose your contact ya nka on the catch him point blank say PMMC na amasa kanina
na se pani oda no wo antumi ankere wo se wo mo ye ho adwuma wo ye ho adwuma wo be hu se ye duru stage say Dr. Baumia call ye no ye say ye duru asay na wo bi sa no no wo se wo ntumi nkere ba bi o madura na de na che se wo mo ye bibi fa
ye be na office so the kind o ntumi kan off header ho be hia se be na office na yakohwe kratem so wo de kratem da honum na ye kan assembly iyoko na fe men's gold nkomo yi eno an na twetwe ye kokodru honum yo
gold a coin na ya short change ye but sika nam gold so ba Ghana 13 and 16 was about $9.2 billion yede
eno just say obisa mpanifo because me say dem me tie obisa me a me nimbi
$9.2 billion
2013 to 2016 previous government in the time
$9.2 billion yede
just say obisa mpanifo
udi sa $9.2 billion ne to nchen na wahwe loans ay kokoti ne grant now di ni nyina ka
loans ne grant
say sika ni nyina e ba Ghana ansana de donors e de baye because Ghana ha ye wo make say infrastructure ne bebre honum kra na ye be ye cheyen enye ya ye sika enti se sika we nyina aboa no within that enti se 2013 2016 sika e ba ye nia ene fa efri hoba besi ne de sa akofom kra na enye be 7 point something se sika ni nyina ba Ghana ha ye de yeden Ghana tena boa den sa
me me try
o shakrata no me yanhwe iyoko nso amane a wodi aba Economic and Organized Crime Office iyoko wabo amane yesa wo ye enhwehwemu efa gold purchasing firm Men's Gold enti wato nsa frɛ opani a woda no na apia mensa se omra na Bank of Ghana amane bi a wabɔ efa Men's Gold ho no wo mo mekire mu yesan se kakum yeje okwakwanum Executive Director wa Iyoko KK Amwa wasu ogidi ye say invitation no wo mo agye atum so wo mbeba ne de wo mo beba na fe wo matimi adi nkomo ne no kre say ya frɛ wo mo say wo mo mra Bank of Ghana ene de kokobo ema Men's Gold anyone ne ani wo mu didwa ese oni tumi a e wo so odidwa se oni obi be to gold na memfanya adwuma ma na e wo doso a waba betete ho aba na di uhia sika nso so ebire mu aba abeji na wo say Central Bank as a Men's Gold oni authority anase tumi asa obejeje anase obeji obi sika so ye investment anase udu sika ba beto ho awo entibra na beji bi afei enu achi no wo say Men's Gold nso so de krata aba abonten so a wo say wo ka kire Ghana fo nyina say wo ye adwuma within the remits of our license to me a wo license e dia ma wo some Men's Gold ye mutimi ye no eno na wo ye na so the bureaucrat e dia tudwa say na say ye beji deposit enka ho enti say no na Men's Gold e yo dia na ye atwea kwa ye atwea bai na yoko say ni nyina betwa ochena fie dai August da etosudu Men's Gold penny eni da kwan so obekọ yoko na oni yoko fo akọ kasa na de ebefiri mu aba no eno na ebeye adanse krogen a say yoko ena ebu mra so say ensoso mfomso na Central Bank ye ena obeka say omuni tumi ochina da no bekọ awie de sesini awie eni ehunu chale na yehunu de etuam eno ho nsem de bokrata e de aba na enkrata ni bi de aba say okobuna afoma ntamu a koko abayiwa pa na ye de doma kwa kosim koko osusu ye bugu a untimi mfa nye akonwa untimi mfa nye teburu untimi mfa nye mpa age so de soja na anasa o de hyedo o wurewure ne bidua no de hyedo de ye semina tuntum na so na ye twagu adan a ye dua cashew koko akuafo sa fede wo mo abre koko akuafo mo wurewu me ameka ho bi enya atam na mo ye ni bresem sa obeti koko abo aburu adia atudia kwa kogu apaso de wonsa num saa bewie na amawure na ayes kanwensene wo msi we nyina chi no afini hia na okoko sika san wa hwe akokko bobosia akora mpemanim ye aban ni bibi papa bia ma ogo na akokko no ya abrewa na akokora na entime nwu biewu a ene yankokora bo mu ba ya mobbo bedi hia wa hwe wa yie kora ba ne sa akokofunu aye enti ese wo ma hu se cashew no de okoja man north ne south one fe na dakadi eno no dua ende so anyi kora na fe na so kese enti no wo mu twa kokko nua ne gu ena wo mu dua cashew okọ atoyama ntamu so a yesi ebidi dua cashew no na ebidi dua rubber enti bunofo dua cashew no na atoyama ntamu western omsusu dua rubber na no na the bonkata bi dia ba betudwa se saade na ekoso no se ya nhwe yi a Ghana koko na ninguase ne na hwease nyina no na so the bonkata the new crusading guide dia ba se Cocoa Research Institute wo mu di wo mu mfinhia aduo wotwe ede ho aduo wotwe ade mu asini trasi gua na egu kwei enso bakrata ne fe toso du a wasi Cocoa Research Institute of Ghana officially wo mso wo ka kire Ghana say hure tatakwase de Cocoa babaye na Ghana fo hu so mfa so fi se do wotwe ni enti Ghana fo nyina meta wo mu achi na yen shefa kese pa se tatakwase na ajapade a wode baye no nyame adom efihia do wotwe ni eno ne nsam a democrat idi aba enti se wo adaje a ya na wo kwa akota wo mu achi na Cocoa na ye twagu no ye di ni fihia
Eja Hamod minim say me we interview no ba utie pacho 2017 Bank of Ghana stopping Musa in November say ya mamumfa gold enko bi hu no Bank of Ghana ka say $2.3 billion and also call ye mai in 2017 $1 billion as seven making enti pacho pa sebia tesa na sentesa na so bitima me nchim fofra naja yetimi atia say DSP Winfred Anan happy birthday
Abujanfo enfa di chronicle entro aso na chronicle na animu ne finfini nyina nsam a wowo no mo Bank of Ghana de ewom sada so na yoko so de ewom na Bank of Ghana for say etiefo be kaye a eba say ye dwiri gu ye sika kora bia hodo num ye se yakabom ya ye no consolidated bank no egma efo ye wo no mo won surugu jam den benim focus so ni ade bank no ana on be kwaso aye adwuma enna yes managing director ya boda consolidated bank ya no paniado en wode atudwa se mu ye adwuma wo sa bank num nu nyina mu no ya ma obi 60 days justify your inclusion senti a wasa ye ma wo ka bank honom no kire yire wo ho ye adwuma na 60 days ni duru ni ya hwa oni ehia wa you go ya hwa oni ehia wa you will stay eti ni akoba ni se some go home ebi be kofie the bonka ten ye wode aban no se workers no won sunu gujam dendende na krata ba bonten no first agasia na panin wo twero ye and we distribute ama workers ni so nipa kro gena da ho so se wo 60 days se fa kire se adwuma no obetene mu anasa wo ntenem enti ye bele workers of anasa wonum be ye adwuma
and a Bank of Ghana catches will be an record.
Yes, 60 days. Justify your inclusions.
Okay, what I'm wanted to
Nane, would ye share the Labour Commission so ya fa ho. On say, and Nakakra nipa woman juma free woman sadosu, a free small scale mining, say so copota womusu, banks, yeah, say yes, ye consolidating ye dikani, or unim say ye dikaka to be boom capital, and the other one be a cambo me, UT, ye cambo munipa dudua a cow, and son away so swaba home. He, I say,
only my question muno emra ya won hye ye fa adwuma ye ho enti no se ye bank na wo mu adwuma bi a wo ye ne se yi wadi na namra kwan so a ho na TUC ni Labour Commission for one year wo se bam no unipa kro pe kwan na fa kɔ ho no mo because nipa no famra kwan so no de yi wadi de a ene obekɔ fie unemployment rate na ekɔ ba se namra kwan so de a ene mra wa omayimu a wo se empani for hwe
yamra kwan so nyamra kwan so no unemployment rate na ekɔ nipa na owa adwuma no mu no ono staff na ho no onka financial na se meka se bank rollers na omo bank ni mu a enam so beka se bia omo mismanage na se yesi ebi mu ho no mu a sika omo ka se na omo dwetere no na enye no kre bi ko bo obosia e na omo wie bank no omo nya license ni wie ne ya withdraw sika no enti ama omo abaye holo sika ni ho eno no ye ho na nipa na ya fa ne teller na no wote ho no sa ono de wonye boni bia o nanso ebeka no enti se yenhye unemployment rate Kwan ekosro and a basan so a any security threats
and the omo case abusan for ento aso krata famienu chronicle no Richard Ohusu achian kumase no wadi fire eno na ne pani opai hamod wa beyi anu wo sesese oduru mu wa kwati a eho ye nsamamfi ewa dan amusie ye nipa ni wadwuma yefo ni ho esa se ye fi tete ye ti akwati na diamond ye chu diamond wo ho no mo ene ese diamond adwumakuo kase ye dan de ma ankorankora na ba kire mo se da bia ba nkwa gege ne ma boso enye yie enti ankorankora mmere mu ne ese ye dan ede ma private man so wo meye adwuma no ene esika nkom kakra ebe mu no ene ma tete apansam sama sese wo akwatia honom diamond ya nanka yenya yase ne ene yenya free wo no 2 million carats and an yenya is a swati about 800
and do 800 maka
near all people me
say and do 800,000 carats only 800,000 carats
na say 800 no kure
Mr. Chrome was at that panum to diamond
sir nti papa ne say yenton papa ne say yanyim free investor na won nsem sese no hono mo ne yemfama investor we serious
so mama na me call opani ya Adom boache amponsa or a labor consultant near Moncomo. And I don't want to make a chair. Now, maybe I'm a cordial.
Yeah, at least I did as a diamond young couple.
Like I said, no, the uncle yet.
Yeah, so a good
Bank of Ghana, Eka Bank, Numi Bomu, and you know that be so Modema Ghana Commercial Bank. Nedi Nimnesenka, Bank of Ghana, my says, ye, my phony beardy. Now, so said, the Abbot Tomini say, I'm almost 60 days. Say a footballer said, oh, justify your inclusion. Say, and Tessa Adia. Not just a bank, let's be you. Banessa, Cheshette say, Banny Jumaya Husseina.
Camilla Medati, Michia Adom Poina, so. I am say, Katana, a consolidated bank for the better upon Tino. And then I could create a problem in na me true a chick a catches me imagine me say Oma Vina who ye as I no more ye and go deep enough. It's only say, say, so what title letters are banks in the trauma or workers now?
Patromia de Minyan family who be.
Let us know much trauma or can say Bank of Ghana are far or Majumano. Into relationship, employment with bank has come to an end. What do you say?
Hey.
Yeah. Into man can see a year with you, but it has come to an end. So can I say it's on the science you were the dear. And the Nanka, who call Nipana where you were dealing with on another can with the But also Bank of Ghana agi ejuma no dia man another bank. It will your new relationship has come to an end. What it means is your employment is supposed to be continuous. What you say?
It's your pa na Matthias here.
Inka uwo bibia uko consolidated bank na no makoka. So na ubia ono employment. Na the employment no ya just wako through offense probation and ya confirm employee. Also ya no so very saying bill na odia retain the employment status. So anything that make us a letter no exactly to bokata na ye senior manase. Enti media mechanism say bank consolidated bank food here dia. Nka letter no omo withdraw so na omu emi adwumafo no entra ho nkasa na omu hu kwan a omba faso e dey assessment senya sa so dia eni eso omu kire se wo a ye be fa no with your employment they continue dan for wa you be entitled to be a severance so na we be tuano according to old conditions no e be tuamo and also emphasis bia e didn't ase be ye adwuma na ucho letter na uja na trase dia and the assembly bar because on administrative letters no and say we throw the muda of fine and yes the lipa no letter na no dimika no dia ko bi o say me kwa interpretation and say the manner or tire be tia se kama and the honor em say assembly is you wa bia be
wo shared my phone obi en ho mbe yi na di
min to minka e say almost say bank rules no repetitive from bank A to bank Z juma krona no moye na juma bi owa e bi eze lipa 10 na ye na say ya kan ni mo bom e bi eze only 50 ndu be maintain 50 ni nyina anya possible nti ba mi se bi be kofi
na say e bi kwa na branches no adwuma ye fo no be kɔ form na say branches bi ho a ye betutum
o me tutu branches ni bi self for efficiency.
Hey. Ebe ye hu e ko mbede nkrofo.
Say nti na mra na ye hihye se banisa nka kakakra ho ya si etua de ma. For a period no at least unye adwuma krapo na obetua traduane adi. So nti asem no mama me entutu na so. Say bank no hu say ya di hia pa. Na mo hwe no mo solve sa de. So enu nti na me fi say ko mo be withdraw mo letter no nom de fofora ba nke be boa yi
ma me nda wase eja Adom na bibia se kira e be sa kasa opani Adom bo champion say labor consultant say consolidated bank of mo withdraw letter no ntem na mo ne o mo ntrase
empata sika mo de mo we
ya ni pe
de how beba you
unemployment
you
mo fa wan enko
ayo capito ma me fa nra public sector reform 5 years nhyehyɛ ya mpanimfo de abɛy ntwato ɛwɔ chronicle mu na mampani na nado danko akufo ado kyerɛ mu sɛ emfie numu akyiri no abadwuma ye nini adwuma ye fo ye wo ma yi mu a mode ne sɛ obi won mo da fie bosome so ano akwaje akatua obi so won mo adwuma ne yɛse drumu no nsia no nkron na afa nu wɔtwe ne mokase ase wɔ kwa adwuma yɛse sa nkrofo ni nyina da sa nsakyera ye ɛbɛn na bɛka mu sɛ adwuma na bi munya bi nye no yɛso nipa kro sɛ twedi ampɔdom mo no ma wo bi ye na wo ye ho sɛ adwuma no kokwasa mɛyɛ menye tama me pɛ na mɛkɔ ne me pɛ na mɛyɛ me ho a ɛsɛ pani kusi boafo ne mpanimfo se ensakyera ye abode ba mfie num wonwie no na kyɛ sɛ adwuma bi ɛwɔ Ghana ha sei no sa abantua taku a obenya so mfaso adwuma ye ni so no obenyi wakati obi a ho bedwo no obi ani ho ane ho ebekire no
eni enfa delegate Democrat no enka ho bi na delegate Democrat ni chemo se big cabinet shake up na kyerɛ aban ba so badwakuo no ye keka ese ensenkyere ni bi ebesim no amanfo sese omu BP kɔ high omu no BP no at once ɔse hu a enenam mu edika by say o president de tie bia o yewra aboache ja ko obekɔ ampa na ɔkɔ energy minister so a former energy minister na ne kwa na okoye no ama sese akaja gum ama woni a wode wani ato Jubilee House e hwe de e befiri hono maba no wo mu kirem se ama say na nado danko akufo ado wo kura so afo list no etese nkwada de spa edi agro no omu yi mu ntewu wo yi ntewu ni ntata ye ewo mu no na ebinu so abo mu se dame atututu bi atututu baabi ayi yi binu makwa akoso bi so afa ebinu so anu omu kura de bremu no oba besesem enura ye say pressure na eda honom na nya asem ketwa ye si din e pie de na edi kan first on the list am say ni din ye afisa nti otiko afisa jaba yes oni ni din na edikan so no de ebe fire no yenye se ye dane no akoba bi na we na ya no se ukra position e political party na wo power na waja position na to esan se wanya government appointment na appointment no so bebo otiko afisa jaba ni position ne free nensa ne se yese anhwe yi a eja befa no ho ama ye yi no afiri ho no mi yese mampani sese ni susu ye ne se asoafo no de na Ghana fo kana na oso won tija na fe de wateyo wose sese wo hu sampa wo mdo so nti opese oteso eti sese ne ye hwekwan se da bia behu se Elizani ho ahantwe ko Jubilee House bia na ye de kwa akoto wo manim se yabom ntewu yayi nto yayi ntata na firim na bi nso abo mo sespa eti ese kwadwo opon sei elfa say yire bi mra se bedwani yayi nua be ma kwadwo opon kroma se ahwe on ne be kwa taking over obe show Mustafa yes sister anya confirm ade aba we na kasa leakage wo
na me ka asem ho kire
leakage wo
sam ka kire kwadwo opon kroma be confirm o da ma mi wie doc de Dr. Barnabas na Gandao ewo wa Regional Hospital Director. Doc, what time in coming watch you pay?
Yes.
Pacho at say?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Yanyan to say I'm Robert say Hamu one in important Wamana affected hospital Pacho Church in Muniantia.
No, you can say I'm Robert's hospital. But then I can say sometimes Sisi I'm Robert na APOSO. And the fact that almost far an rubber bar now wundi kakrabe omo de ba hospital ya man treatment ya here say the police one ho ya police post wa hospital say nya sa sometimes am rubber na ne nipa be tracy be kono so that on catch obi as omo nyina wa am rubber no sana eka ba nya say ya hospital na am robbers na attack here. Sometimes public no omo person ko hospital ko hu ni part na yeah security no so omo accepting to sometimes omo bon to kwa kakra ba enya an robber na attack hospital no yeah here say na police one ho an robber na APOSO dabia omo ko nepa omo jine niama enti say almost wounded back last weekend omoko armed robbers mienu but back na back na omoko no nti say yeah shena na police one ho ebet my say ni colleague armed robbers bet ma ba they attack omo ne pana na omo be kuno so that omo reveal say omo nyina armed robbers sana maka
onti owo hospital one am mo hwe no wounded armed robber no na ne colleague armed robbers no abekunu hospital was said be ya ontimi reveal secrets
sana me kasa by yes omo ayebi preventive methods na efa so baby na me yajuma sometime back no ebet ma ye ana a couple almost born tokwa na obi wundi then the person can follow up so that obi baby finish or na baby information and leak says na born tokwa was here and then preventive methods were violent also crab.
Oh, okay. But apart from this, no hospital or BBI boko.
BBI.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right then.
Fine.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Dr. Barnabas na Gandao, Wa Regional Hospital Director. And Robert's normally a wild. Better to want to be you from.
Any number penny and another danko for address and country Ghana phone and I say I am a happy man. Happy man never grow. It in Nana never grow. Nana so a happy man or so the need form na said the Council of States or no more boy Jumanoa. A camia quack see a swinny a swan elbow or Mujina ya so more pepe. It's a Jumana wayan. So be a journey say enquire a quay pa na easy. I was as I were. Yes, it's out in the football age na Juma.
Haja.
If I did the football age there,
phone 110.
Haja look young.
Minus
calculations na
82. 28. Ministers 28 Bekofi.
Sir. Who's that now how you do to sing a young capuno?
Yenye 65.
Yan captain and yan 75. On credit propose 75.
Minority 65.
65.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, how ne canon onra sa public sector reform ina se o man no kwan sin on a J fans pa so gina ho this asem to dwa say yan nyamra sa ban bia wo beba no say 20 or 20, 30 or 30.
65 for kura do. Mama nchawa de. One France kakrakai. The whole France. As to Ghana 5 times.
On Becca chose France in Puntia Koso has a finish.
When you read their history, the very first time Omunya minister said also power was 21.
Omuya brofia before.
What are you talking about?
No. Namakan.
Nada nyame mbo kuro ya bia.
Edabi, ya de different.
On my back we are
different.
I matter say Ghana ya chemu 2, president and the vice president. And wechi ya sabe chim 110. And wechi yasachim 156 DCs. And wechi yasachim 10 regional ministers. And wechi yasachim 275 MPs. Are
regional ministers cry wechi ba.
Captain say buacheja kunwo amamfo amani yes Ministry of Finance no mo ya aware Attorney General office no onum ya aware
obi anka so mo nya we but they did not sign. Did they sign?
Yes, Kata is no mo ya aware.
Aware did obi ya aware. Yan kura na ya aware.
Now so ya aware. Na so we yan aware. Yes no mo input wom.
Input na wo mu no. Wo mo sign input no.
Ne ama me kan paper yi na me hwɛ mu din yese. Enkrata o mo de kɔtom na hye badwafo pono so no. Yes sa 2 ministries we o mo input wom.
Input in de be wo no mo sign input no.
Eno de agye se onya boacheja akonu ayi anu nti.
Eno a wotie General Secretary John say dun ketia ne conversation na o say bibi ati say no osusu se mampani aye Attorney General pen no onimpa say anya hwe nka DWASO ministry ni say omuwom was a finance ministry
procurement
ewom was say anka omo hwe yenyinam kanea no so kra no o contact you so
enu nti na people say ye wasi atworo asem no mani je ho say people ni bisa say san eniema nyina say na input no wom enna se koye enna mampani wo san ya say ya sign signature eye den na mampani so de ne nsa sha ase ye koduru ba bi eduru no entinya buache ja konkon ena wasi e
panic no. Why aka say nyo no ko asenti be de to ka ho ono ya ofasenti entimi nyina di
sir
ana na afase
da bi graphic kura de dispatch kura de che say mampani ankasa so no de no hu mu asan ye
aloya for no hu no aloya for no so twa de ho hye say so pa momo
ene enu asamu ase edu ketia na ase edu ketia say o wasa mampani eyi Ghana fo ano
Dr. Baumia ho
okona ase ho
dollar na ndo asan kosoro mo mfre no on free Dubai ho mra
Baumia so nkita dollar mu
ono da de na gine nsam o ono kwa reshafo na eyi yanka reshafo no ate ya na ne ho about 28 minutes after 8 we'll be right back
Bema, ne sika no musida me dofo ne wiwema de